now I remember you actually said you had this company. This is how you and I first started talking. And that's how you're here. So, what does that mean, a tape recovery business?
So there's a lot of people out there who have tapes that they need to recover data from for either legal discovery or something other else like that. And it's usually not an operational recovery. It's usually a recovery from, say, a tape that they no longer have the tape drive for, right?
Okay. Yeah.
So my tape recovery business included things like chain of custody, where I would get the tape and I would find the old tape drives and I would find the old copies of the operating systems, then the old copies of the backup software, and I would then recover that data onto a piece of removable media and send that back to the data
Okay.
to the.
And you're saying that a significant portion of the time the tape was just worthless?
They needed significant amounts of extra handling. So it was media error, the
Yep.
unrecoverable media error.
Yep.
Most backup software won't read a tape past that unrecoverable media portion. You actually
Okay.
have to do unnatural things to try and move past there and recover the rest of the data. So I would recover as much as I could from those tapes. And as I said, about 25% of the stuff that I was sent was just not there. So this whole keeping tape as an archive medium for 20 years, I just don't. I personally, based upon my experience, would never trust that
That's
because
really
you
yeah.
can't test